Hi guys, so my name is Shubhangi Gupta. I'm the co-founder of Sportward. It's a sports tech startup based in Bombay. And what we do is that how you watch IPL and PKL on TV. Similarly, our job is to ensure your district level, state level, school level tournaments are being broadcasted on a platform. We solve for cost efficiency that we bring into sports streaming and data capturing. We cover 120 cities in India and 20 countries globally, and in total we do 52 sports. What inspired me to come into this is that I come from a non-sports background, but what inspired me was to give back to the community. I come from a privileged class where, I could have done anything that I wanted, but I chose this because impact in sports is really important, especially at this age where I think sports is developing in this country. And if you don't start from grassroots, then how will you make an impact at a national level? So, sports already एक niche category है, उसमें भी women in sports is even bigger niche. So it is challenging. Last week I went into this event which is Women in Sports India, which was held just right here in Ginger Hotel, and it was very surprising to see that so many women are there in this industry, but they are working so much behind the scenes that nobody even knows that they exist, which is really bad. So I think that is what is challenging. I want more women to come out there, showcase their potential, what they're doing, what they're achieving. And I think today's session especially, felicitated a lot of them, which was very nice. So, like I said in the panel session, that sports tech is something people think that it will be very technical and I won't understand or yeah, mere se nahi hoga. I don't think it's that. If you have the basic principle of working hard and learning new things, I think everything is easy. If you don't do this, then, and if you're really passionate for sports but you don't want to contribute to grassroots sports, I don't think you can do that. So, start from grassroots, come, work with us. We do hire a lot of people on a daily basis to work in these events. So happy to host you guys. One thing is that I think every woman that I met today, they had this one spirit that they don't want to give up, they don't like to give up. I think that was the consistent feedback. And I think even I have the same feedback. I think that is what a woman brings to the table in a company, is that we never give up and we ensure all problems are solved. So I think keep doing that. Women are known for that.